Namaste, beautiful soul. Welcome to day number 2 of our week together meditating. The meditation today is dedicated to learn on how to control the thoughts, how to calm down the thoughts in our mind. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a like to this video so you have access to all the videos that I'm uploading and you can enjoy my whole channel. Welcome to day number 2 of our 7 days of meditation challenge. If you are on your sacred spot, take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale everything out through the mouth. Today we are focusing on calming the thoughts, to learn what to do with those thoughts that are on your mind. Sometimes we feel there are too many that we cannot stop. Almost everybody feels like it's impossible to quiet the mind. But today we're gonna feel and live through the meditation that you can really control that. So make sure you're comfortable where you are, if you're sitting or if you're lying on your back. And we always start by bringing the awareness, the attention to the face. It's important that you relax your face expression, that you don't have that gesture in your face, that you worry about the meditation. Everything is okay, and I'm gonna guide you in this meditation. And we're not gonna force anything, we're gonna go with the flow. So relax your face expression by relaxing first the forehead and the area in between your eyebrows, and relaxing your eyes, your eyelid, your eyelashes, your eyebrows. And relax your nose, your cheeks, your cheekbones, your lips. Relax your jaw. Relax the tongue of the roof of the mouth. And now bring a smile to your face, a smile to your lips, that it relaxes your whole expression. Take another deep breath in through the nose. And again, you can exhale everything out through the mouth. Beautiful. Now we seal the lips. We keep the eyes closed the whole meditation. And we bring the attention to the tip of the nose. We're gonna take a deep breath in through the nose, connecting deeply with your breathing, being aware of what's happening, feeling the air passing through the nostrils, traveling inside yourself with that breath. Become your breath. Go to your lungs, feel the ribcage expanding, go to your belly. Now exhale everything out through the nose. And that's how you continue breathing in, breathing out. And what happens to everybody is that you start wondering what to do with the thoughts, all these thoughts in my mind, what's happening. So it's very simple. The secret here is to bring the awareness to the breath every time we start being taken over by the thoughts. So the thoughts are gonna be in the mind. Let's say that thoughts that you have right now in your mind, just allow it to flow, to cross your mind, to continue its journey. And you don't get attached to the thought. You don't start analyzing the thought. No. What you do with a lot of patience, we have to be patient with the mind, is to bring the attention back to the next breath. And you just allow that thought to flow, to move away, and you bring the attention back to the thought. And you bring the attention back to the nose. And you continue breathing in, breathing out. So the activity in your mind starts to be less. And if another big thought comes, you just move the attention back to the next breath. You are aware if you're inhaling or if you're exhaling. And that's what you do. And if another thought comes, allow it to flow. Don't get attached. And you have the power to bring the attention back to the nose and to the next breath. Allow your breath to move with freedom. Take your time to inhale. Take your time to exhale. Enjoy every breath that you intake. Enjoy every breath that you outtake. And that's how you continue. Breathing in, breathing out. And it doesn't matter how many times you have to bring the attention back to the thought. Actually, every time you do it, you're becoming more aware of your own self. You are getting better at meditation the more you bring the attention back to the thought. So being quiet here with me, we're gonna be in silence a few minutes so you can leave that, you can notice that, and you can do it. When you recognize the thought trying to take over your mind, you move the attention back to the next breath and you start paying attention just to that. And you just continue breathing in and breathing out. Be patient with your mind. Be patient with your mind. Now, with a smile on your lips, take the deepest inhale of your day so far. Allow the breath to run through your spine and go all the way to the crown of your head and even expands to the sky. And then slowly exhale everything out. Allow that beautiful smile to start awakening your face expression. And slowly you start opening your eyes. And you feel ready to continue with the rest of your day. And now you have a new tool that you can use when you're meditating. Now you have the power to control your thoughts. Thank you so much for sharing this meditation with me. I will see you again tomorrow at your sacred space to do the number 3 meditation, where we're gonna learn to control and to release anxiety by being in the now. So I see you tomorrow. If you like this meditation, you can do it again. You can repeat this meditation or the one that we did today and later in the day. And I am Pau, and I'm very proud of you. Namaste.